In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a remix in Soundtrap. We'll keep things simple, clear, and creative so you can follow along even if you're just getting started. Begin by opening Soundtrap and creating a new music project. Give it a name you'll recognize later and let it load the default tracks. Turn on the metronome and the snap to grid option so edits line up neatly. This helps you stay organized from the very first move. Next, import the original song you want to remix. Only use music you own the rights to or that is clearly licensed for remixing. Drag the audio file onto the timeline and drop its volume a touch to avoid sudden clipping. Zoom in so you can see the waveform clearly. This will make precise edits much easier. Now, match the tempo. If you already know the song's BPM, set the project tempo to that number. If not, use the metronome and tap along to find a tempo that locks with the kick and snare. Adjust until the transients line up consistently. If parts drift, set the tempo to what fits the main groove and keep your edits anchored around those tight sections. With the tempo in place, it's time to cut and rearrange. Find the hooks, drops, or standout phrases you want to highlight. Use the split tool to slice the audio at clean grid points, then move, copy, or delete sections to craft a new structure. Trim the edges to remove clicks, and add short fades at cut points for smooth transitions. This is where your remix finds its identity. Enhance the rhythm by adding free loops and beats. Open the loop library, filter by genre, BPM, and key, and audition a few options. Drag a beat onto a new track and layer it under the original. Keep the kick and snare tight with the metronome, and mute and unmute to check how each loop supports the vocal or main melody. Add instruments using Soundtrap's free options. Create a new instrument track and choose a drum kit, bass, or synth. You can record with your keyboard or draw notes in the piano roll. Quantize lightly to tighten timing without making it robotic, and keep parts minimal so they complement rather than crowd the song. Apply basic effects to polish the sound. Use EQ to roll off unnecessary low end on melodic parts, add a touch of reverb for space, and sprinkle in a short delay on standout moments. Gentle compression can keep levels steady. Subtlety is key. Finally, mix your remix. Balance faders so nothing overwhelms the vocal or lead. Pan supporting parts for width, and leave a bit of headroom to avoid distortion. Automate volume for buildups and drops, and do quick A/B checks at low and normal volumes. When it feels cohesive and exciting, you're done. Save your project and enjoy your new remix.